Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit jewelry photos in the Lightroom app. If you want to edit the photos of your jewelry and make it more professional, then this tutorial is for you. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Lightroom app on your home screen. Now open it. Now choose the jewelry photo that you want to edit. Now to edit it, first tap onto the light option right here. Now edit the exposure and the given tools just like this. Then increase the contrast of the photo and also increase the highlights of the photo. Now use the given toolbars just like this. Make sure to do the same as the given video and adjust the toolbars just like this. Now tap onto the color option and tap on to grading. By doing the grading of the color, we can make it look more beautiful and better. Just like this. After editing, tap on to done. Now you can see the before and after of the photo and you can simply compare which one looks better. And that's it. This is how you can edit the jewelry photo in the Lightroom app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.